Okay. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so again, I'm Rintaro Harada from NTT and also from IOWNGlobalForum. Today, I'll briefly introduce an overview of IOWNGlobalForum and one of its POC activities for efficient AI analysis. So first of all, IOWN, or IOWN, stands for Innovative Optical and Wireless Network. It aims to create a sustainable society by utilizing optical wireless communications and photonics-electronics convergence to overcome the limit of current infrastructure. To achieve this IOWN concept, NTT, Intel, and Sony founded IOWNGlobalForum in January 2020. The IOWNGlobalForum is a non-profit organization achieving the IOWN as a novel communication infrastructure. Yeah? Sorry?
We cannot see the screen sharing anymore.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Can I check? Can you share my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, I'd like to start my presentation again. Yeah, so today I'll briefly introduce an overview of IOWNGlobalForum and one of its POC activities for efficient AI analysis. So first of all, IOWN, or IOWN, stands for Innovative Optical and Wireless Network. It aims to create a sustainable society by utilizing optical wireless communications and photonics electronics convergence to overcome the limit of current infrastructure. To achieve this concept, NTT, Intel, and Sony founded IOWNGlobalForum in January 2020. The IOWNGlobalForum is a non-profit organization achieving the IOWN as a novel communication infrastructure by developing new technologies, frameworks, technical specifications, and reference architectures. As of May 2024, 142 organizations have already participated. Now, here is an overview of IOWNGlobalForum. So we have three visions. The first one is to create a smarter world experienced in the daily lives of billions of people. And the second one is to popularize a next-generation communication infrastructure to provide new services with sustainability by 2030. Sorry. And the last one is to achieve novel technologies for cutting-edge applications and explosive amount of data. Especially in technology aspect, we have three target performances in 2030, such as 1 over 100 in power consumption, 125 times in transmission capacity, and 1 over 200 in latency. To achieve the visions and target performances, IOWNGlobalForum has been considering technical solutions. But just technical considerations are not enough to deploy IOWN-based services, so we've been considering use cases and applications. So this figure illustrates the overview of IOWN architecture and POC activities in the IOWNGlobalForum. The bottom layer is called Ion AllPhotonicsNetwork, or APN. The APN provides end-to-end optical path for low latency, high capacity, and energy efficient communications. A network services layer and overlay solutions layer are on top of the APN. The IOWNGlobalForum published 10 POC references. The POC reference is a document of POC which defines the use case, features, and expected benchmarks of its POC. Each POC team conducts a POC based on the POC reference and submit a POC report. Today, I will share the overview of CPS area management POC regarding remote real-time AI analysis in later pages. So this is an event of Linux Foundation, so I'll briefly share the relationship between Linux Foundation and IOWNGlobalForum. IOWNGlobalForum is collaborating with various projects in Linux Foundation, such as Cloud Native Computing Foundation, Open Programmable Infrastructure, LF Networking, and LFH for the future sustainable, smart, connected world. So this slide illustrates an example POC achieving remote real-time AI analysis. The assumed use case in this POC is smart city, where video data captured from cameras are collected at monitored area and analyzed at regional edge cloud. We built an environment assuming monitored area in Yokosuka and the regional edge cloud in Musashino, Japan. In the monitored area, a video server substituting for cameras in a smart city and a local aggregation node that collects video data are deployed. Aggregated video data are transferred to the regional edge cloud through the APN. In the regional edge cloud, our efficient hardware-accelerated pipeline for AI analysis is executed with GPU resources. Also, OpenShift is utilized for easier lifecycle management of workloads with hardware-based data transfer feature. According to our evaluations with a single GPU, latency was reduced by up to 60% and power consumption was reduced by up to 40%. And we have an estimation of required resources and power consumption for accommodating 1,000 video streams, assuming the smart city. In the conventional on-premise deployment, about 5,000 watts are required in the monitored area. In the conventional implementation with AI at the cloud, the system is distributed into the monitored area and the regional edge cloud. The power consumption in the monitored area can be reduced, but the total power consumption increases. And the last one, in the case of ION-based implementation with AI at the cloud, the power consumption, both in the monitored area and the regional edge cloud, can be reduced, the total of which are less than 3,000 watts. Also, the space in the monitored area can be saved. As an advance from the POC, a possible idea for collaborated POC with Linux Foundation comes up this figure. Data stored in the monitored area can be efficiently analyzed with GPU resources in the regional edge cloud via Edge Lake and GPU direct storage. And more concrete use cases and system configurations are illustrated in the presentation from Fukano-san. So please also see his slide again. ION Global Forum picks out these three use cases as early adoption use cases, which are aimed to be deployed in 2025 through 2026. We consider applying ION technologies to broadcasting, generative AI, LLM, and financial industries. It's very important to widely collaborate inside and outside the ION Global Forum for deployment and widespread use of ION technologies. Lastly, let me announce an upcoming event named Futures in Taipei next month. This is a half-day conference to envision a photonics-driven future of next-generation communications and infrastructure technology, and how it will impact business strategy and innovation. You can join this event even if your organization doesn't participate in ION Global Forum. Yeah, that's all of my presentation. Thank you.
AI character is gonna say anything? Is the AI character is gonna?
That wraps up day one. Thank you all for your participation. We'll see you back here tomorrow for more exciting discussions and presentations.
Hooray. Okay, see you tomorrow. I know, like, today we truly have the true discussion, and I like to see people fighting. That means we are really thinking, working together. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wilson, are you going to the cafeteria? Yeah, because I need to go to back to school night, and if people interested, go with Wilson for our just the dinner for employee. Not super fancy, but we'll fed you well.
We can take them.
Yeah, you can take that. Yeah,
Okay.
just be quiet.
Oh, don't tell them.
Yeah, never mind. We have plenty of food.
Yeah.